Model 2014 Mercedes VITO TRAVELINER 2.2 CDI BlueEFFICIENCY 9 SEATER Spares OR Repairs Body, Silver 9-seater minibus mileage, 116247 MOT, 20 March 2024 Engine, 2143 CCOM 651,136 HPA Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Low mileage for a Mercedes and a clean example for the year features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £12,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or